Today I'm going to show you how to look up data or join tables in Power Query using merge queries. I have imported two tables over here. The first table, which is the sales table, it has the product ID, salesperson, quantity, and sales amount. And the second table, product info, it has the product ID, the category, and the unit price. Alright, so what I want is that I want this sales table to include the product category as well. So what I can do is that I can use these merge queries. And if I click on this button, it has two options. The first option, merge queries, it means that to merge queries inside the current query that has been selected. And the second option, merge queries as new, means to create a new query and to merge queries inside the new query. All right, so I'll choose this second option. And this window pop up. So the first table is the sales table, and I want to merge with the product info table. And the column, the matching column that I want to use is the product ID. So I choose this column for both of the table. So product ID and the product ID in product info. And the join kind is the left outer, which means that the sales table remains the same, stays the same, and matching from the second table, which is the product info. I click on OK. And now the new query is created. And there's a new column added over here, which is called the product info. Alright, so click on this button beside the product info. And right here, you can choose like which column that you want to expand. So for now, I want the product category. And the best part of using merge queries is that you can actually look up more than one column. So if I want the unit price as well, I can also click the unit price and hit on OK. And now I got my data nicely merged. So this is the product category and the product unit price. And let's rename this to final sales. And now I can just close and look. Alright, so this is the merged data over here. And if there is new rows added in, for example, if I add a new sales row over here, what I can do is that I can just refresh this merge table and the new data will be added in with the merge or the lookup data as well. So definitely try it out and I'll see you next time. Bye.